40,000 miles of Washington state county roads don't manage themselves. It takes thousands of people across 39 counties to maintain the road inventory and asset data that keeps us compliant with federal and state regulations. If you manage, maintain, analyze, or plan county road assets, we have good news. The County Road Administration Board is introducing new software. Meet GIS-Mo, the Geographic Information System for mobility. GIS-Mo was developed based on county feedback and replaces mobility. The new system offers significant improvements. Here are the top 5 things to know about GIS-Mo. GIS-Mo uses a map-based interface to help you visualize your data. GIS-Mo is accessed via a web-based app, so it can be used on any internet-capable device. GIS-Mo also offers Android and iPhone apps, so you can use it on your smartphone or tablet, even when you're offline. GIS-Mo has powerful tools to help you analyze data and make decisions, including the ability to attach images and documents to your data records and expanded reporting capabilities. GIS-Mo data will be in a format that can be used by our partners at WSDOT and the Federal Highway Administration, making it easier for us all to share information. Wscrab will work with counties to migrate your existing road data into GIS-Mo. GIS-Mo is based on 2 software suites. We configured GIS-Mo for Washington County needs, so it will be stable, secure, and supported for years to come.
When we use this program, we have the benefit of time savings and a cost savings because everything is working more efficiently. The best feature is the asset management part because you can actually find out what the actual cost and what you need to do out there. Plus, you also will know what asset is out in the field that you need to do in order to go out and do your work more efficiently.
GIS-Mo will be fully operational by 2021. From now until then, Wscrab will begin offering in-person and online training for everyone who needs to use GIS-Mo. Get started today by going to www.wscrab.wa.gov/GIS-Mo to sign up for an online introduction. We can't wait for you to meet GIS-Mo and see its benefits for yourself.